Hi, my name is Lucia. I'm a technology consultant at Continuus Technologies. This is the first episode in the Alteryx Tips and Tricks series where we help you make your workflow reach its full potential. This episode, we will be covering the tool connectors. The tool connectors are the squiggly lines that connect your tools, so input to one tool, output to another. So if you click on these tools, or these tool connectors, you're able to go ahead and name them if you want to. If I type that in, you'll see it pop up right there. And if you want to make your connection wireless, so if you have one tool on this side of your workflow and you're connecting through something, maybe that connector will get in the way, you're able to change that just by clicking on it and making that connection wireless. So there, when I click off of it, it'll still show that it's connected, but it won't show the actual connection. Now to get that back, you will go into the tool and then click on the navigation bar, so the third one in the left. And then here you can see what tools this tool is connected to, the list of the connections, and whether you want them wireless or not. Another thing is changing the colors and connection types. So if you go to Options, User Settings, Edit User Settings, you're able to change the type of connection between tools. So this is just a stylization. If you want, the Bezier is going to be the default one. If you want to choose perpendicular or a straight line, these are going to be outside of the default. But you'd select them in this canvas section here, and then you're able to change the color of the connection and whether you want to change that text color that is displayed on the string as well. So I'm going to make these different colors. And then when you save it, now I chose the perpendicular setting, so notice as I move the connection around how the right angles will form. Now the other method is the straight lines, which is just going to use a straight line. So the way that looks, you'll see a straight line. Now something about this, if you're connecting multiple tools together, it won't bring the connection around the tool if you're bringing it back together. So if you are working with something like this, you'll see that it won't kind of go around the connection like it would with the other types of connections. So you will have some overlap of connections in this method.